Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can allow only the group administrator to send a message to WhatsApp app. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. And open the WhatsApp application to begin with. Next, go to the group in which you are an admin. And then at the top, click on the name of the group. And scroll down a little bit, where you'll find the Group Permissions section. Here you'll need to disable one feature, which is called Send Messages. Once you do this, only you will be able to send messages if you are the administrator and no one else in the group. This is the simple way, friends, you will be able to allow only admin to send message in WhatsApp. I really hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.